how to fix a YouTube live stream that continuously crashes and goes back to the Roku home screen while you're watching them live. So I watch Noah W. plays a lot on YouTube, and he does a lot of Fortnite live streaming. And what's going to happen is I will start watching it live. However, I'll back up to the beginning in order to watch it, and it'll crash. Sometimes it crashes immediately. Sometimes it crashes back to the home screen 5 minutes later while I'm into it. Now, there's a few ways that you can fix this, and I'll tell you what the solution that I found that worked. Now, first of all, you can wait until the live stream ends on YouTube and then watch it from the beginning and not watch it live. Or you can watch it as it's live instead of rewinding it back to the beginning or 20 minutes earlier. But of course, you don't want to miss what you have not seen. So that's one reason why you don't want to do that, I'm sure. So what you can do is change the resolution. So what happens is it's not on the Roku end, it's not on your end, it's on the creator's end. Because I notice I'll watch Typical Gamer, and he does not have that issue, and I'll watch other live streamers, I'll back it up, and it doesn't happen. For some reason, it's going on his end. He's in Texas, and it's going on his end. So what it is, it's the DVR buffer instability is the primary cause. It's a rolling DVR buffer, so his connection might not be as stable, or he might have 8-bit, or not 8-bit, but he might have different resolutions and bad connection or going in and out. All right, so in order to fix it, the only thing you have to do is change the resolution on your video as you're watching. So, let's say I'm backing up all the way to the beginning and he's live right now. The only thing you have to do is click up to where you get to this part where you can forward or rewind. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way to the settings button, which is the little gear shift there on the bottom right where it says settings. Click settings. And then what you're going to do is for quality, you're going to select that. So you might have it on auto. So what you want to do is lower it to either 720 pixels or 480 pixels. And to be honest with you, 480 is probably best, but that does take quality away from your screen. But you can try 720 to begin with, all right, and see if that works. If that doesn't work, go down to 480, click enter, and then back up to where you want to, and then start watching, and see if that will fix the issue. All right, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Let me know what YouTuber that you're trying to watch live, and put that in the comment section. That's very important to tell me what creator that you're trying to watch and that keeps crashing.